losing a limb actually changes someone's way of life, affects their self-esteem, and affects so many things around there.
I joined this training because I want to learn this new technology and also want to be able to inculcate it in my field of service.
The training has been amazing. There's a lot that has been going on. Support group talks, we have had a lot of physios, and trying on the trial prosthetic has also been awesome.
It was interesting to interact with new trainees, new amputees, and getting to understand that the people we deal with have different issues. So yeah, it was a new learning experience.
I joined the training mainly to gain more knowledge on the ischial containment sockets so that I can continue advancing in my profession as an orthopedic technologist.
It was a very nice experience. It was had a bit of everything, a bit adventurous, a bit exciting, also a bit tiring at moments. Yeah, lots of impressions.
Training yibadi yakutuyigiriza enfuna n'engeri gitulina okuba nga tulabiriramu amaka gaffe n'okuba nga tulina okuba nga tukwatagana ffe abalema.
It has been an amazing experience for Circleg and to organize this training program, specifically to see happy participants but also happy amputees.
This is now the first step. Actually, they are not at the end, they are at the beginning. They need to have one community where they will exchange the knowledge, experience.
Seeing many of the beneficiaries come out victorious, working properly, giving testimonies of how comfortable they felt with the new prosthetic legs. And then there is a part of psychosocial support. In the sessions we had, it was very interesting seeing them open up.
This one is very comfortable. When I started using LP, all of the people are amazed at confidence and that I'm not going to fall down.
I love it. I love that it's very light. I love that it's comfortable. And I love that I'm able to put it on anyhow I want. I can take off the cover and put it back on. So that's amazing for me.
Of course, for us, it's amazing to see that the Circleg components really benefit the amputees. And they feel comfortable, they feel safe, and their self-esteem is really empowered. So that's really cool to see.
We know that for amputees to receive a holistic experience, there is a lot of work that has to be done, and our commitment as Circleg is that we are ready to go an extra mile to make this happen so that the quality of life of amputees is experienced.
I appreciate Circleg's holistic prosthetic care. Actually, it brings better service delivery.
Keep learning, keep being open to learning. We never know everything, and there's always new experiences and problems to solve. Keep persevering. My message is that the journey doesn't end when you give someone a leg.